Today during your phonics word study lesson, you practice writing in uppercase cursive letters. You practice the letters Q, G, S, L, D, P, R, and B. You're going to create one line of each of those letters in uppercase cursive. So uppercase cursive Q, G, S, L, D, P, R, and B. Then you're going to create groups. One group, one whole line of uppercase cursive G, S, L, D, P. Another row of uppercase cursive B, P, D, L, S. Another row of uppercase cursive Q, D, P, B, G. Another row of uppercase cursive S, L, Q, G, D. Another row of uppercase cursive G, L, S, B, R. And your last row, uppercase cursive P, R, B, D, L. Submit to your teacher when finished.